morning, children. Already we know worksheet 4 and 5 are deleted from the syllabus. Now moving on to worksheet 6. All of you open page 34. The glass box. There lived a great king, Krishnadeva who had a very clever minister, Tenali Raman. One day, when the court is assembled in court, the king had a large box placed in the center of the room. The box was made of glass and it was closed on all sides. I have a test for you, announced the king. If anyone can put anything inside the box without opening or breaking the box, he will get a reward. One by one, the coteries came up to look at the box. There was not even a tiny hole through which one could pour in some water. How could one solve the puzzle? Tenali Raman was the last to step forward. Please bring me a lamp, Tenali Raman said. Soon the lamp was brought. Tenali Raman took some time to arrange the lamp. Then he moved to stand between the lamp and the glass box. The light from the lamp cast a shadow. Your Majesty, said Tenali Raman to the king, please look at this. My shadow is now inside the box. The king was very happy. He rewarded Tenali Raman with a precious ring. See here, children, what happened in this story. This is a very interesting story. Here, Krishnadeva is a king in his court. He had a wise minister, Tenali Raman. He is very sharp and intelligent. One day, the king Krishnadeva wanted to test all ministers. In this process, a large box was placed in the center of the room. The box was made of glass and it was closed on all sides. The king Krishnadeva announced if anyone can put anything inside the box without opening or breaking the box, then he will give a reward for that person. Everyone was excited and started one by one came up and looked at the box. There was not even a tiny hole, so everyone was disappointed. But Tenali Raman took a step and watched the box carefully. Please bring me a lamp. Everyone observed Tenali Raman what he was trying to do. Tenali Raman took some time to arrange the lamp. Then he moved to stand between the lamp and glass box. The light from the lamp cast a shadow inside the box. People surprised at the intelligence of Tenali Raman. Why? Because he did not disturb the glass box, but with his smartness he made shadow enter the box with the help of the lamp. So finally the king was very happy. He rewarded Tenali Raman with a precious ring. Okay, children, that is the story of the glass box. Next, moving on to grammar part. These questions are given from the story. So we read out one by one and find out the answer. See here. First one. In the center of the room, there was a. What is in the room? What arranged the large glass box? Yes. The king wanted to the coteries to put something inside the box without damaging it. Next one. When he coteries saw the box, they did not know what to do. Moving on to next page. Fourth one. Tenali Raman stood between the lamp and the box. Fifth one. The king that Tenali Raman put inside the box was his own shadow. Next one. Why did the king reward Tenali Raman? Was it only because he put something inside the box? Not only that, he showed the king that he was very clever. Yes. Next one. Circle the same meaning word. Here see children, they are given in red color. We can choose the same meaning word from the following words. First one, assembled. Same meaning here, gathered. Second one, reward. Same meaning, prize. Third one, arrange. Same meaning, to set. Okay. See here children, next one, complete these sentences with the correct forms of the verbs in the bracket. See here, first one, my mother leave for work at 8 a.m. every day. Here see, this action doing every day. My mother for work at 9 a.m. every day. So that's why here we should choose the verb leave and add the s for the leave. Leaves. Okay. Next one. Nivi fall and hurt herself. This sentence is in the past form. That's why we choose here verb fell. Moving on to next page. Here see, third one, Ramya play hockey every day. Here also children, noun Ramya play hockey every day. Everyday action. So that's why we should choose here verb plays. Ravi. Fourth one, Ravi speak Telugu very well. His habit here. So that's why we choose speaks. Fifth one, my aunt repair my broken toy with glue. This sentence already past form children, repaired, completed work. So that's why here we add the verb ed also. Repaired, repaid. Okay. Next, sixth one. The teacher teach us a new lesson yesterday. Here also action was completed yesterday. Okay. So, teach past form taught. T-A-U-G-H-T taught. Next one. Read these sentences. Write M if the words in color are main verbs and H if they are helping verbs. Children, already we done this type of exercise in textbook. Let's start here. Is, was, were. These are called helping verbs. Whatever action words before are coming, those words are called helping verbs. Whatever action words are given, those are called main verbs. Understood? First one. Preeti is wearing a lovely dress. Okay. Here red color word is. That is helping verb. H. Second one. I play basketball for my school. Here red color word. See children carefully. Verb or action word. So this is a main verb. Play. M. Third one. Please do the dishes later. So here also verb do. M. Fourth one. The jeweler made a lovely necklace. Made. Made is a action word or verb. So that's why made main verb. M. Fifth one. A man and Priya are in the kitchen baking cookies. Baking action word or verb. This is main verb. Sixth one. The lion was looking at the deer. Here see children red color word was. So was is helping verb or main verb? Helping verb because action word before came. Looking before was. Okay, was is helping verb. Seventh one, we were cycling around the lake yesterday. Here also action word before came were. So were is helping verb. So this is today's grammar work, children. Read and write. Thank you.